Alrighty, Nigel, here's your 427. Small block Ford. Description is a combination. It's got the Shelby aluminum block. Nice piece. AFR cylinder heads. Got the Aviaid fan on it. Got your front end, make sure it charges. Obviously, you got a boiler you're going to put on top of here. So we just ran it with the Victor Junior and distributor. It's got the Le Mans covers. Nice piece. Take you in there, show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 499 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 541, peaks horsepower 529. So everything's good. We'll get in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.